Garden salad at its most basic, it consists of lettuce with assorted raw vegetables and dressing. Things can go way beyond that garden salad description, though. Lettuces, iceberg, baby greens, spinach, chicory, endive, arugula, romaine, Bibb, butter leaf vegetables, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, radishes, tender beets, green beans, peas, onions, edamame proteins, bacon bits, hard-boiled egg, tofu cheese, crumbled feta, blue cheese, grated parmesan, shredded cheddar, goat cheese extras, croutons, nuts, seeds, sprouted seeds, olives, dried fruit dressing. That's almost worth a topic all by itself. You can dress your salad up with the dressing you like the best, store-bought or homemade. If everyone at the table has a different opinion, you can simply toss the salad without dressing and let them choose their own. Before you begin, rinse and pat dry all the vegetables and lettuce. Tear the lettuce leaves into bite-sized pieces. Then chop any raw vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces, too. Once everything is prepped, add it to the bowl. When you're ready to serve, drizzle the dressing of your choice over the salad and toss to combine. Enjoy a fresh salad today.